Today we're gonna make ginataang sitaw and kalabasa. I'm not really sure what it's called in English, but it's pumpkin and string beans cooked in coconut milk. To buy your pumpkin, I would suggest you use this kind of pumpkin right here. I believe this is called kombucha. So they call this a Japanese pumpkin. This is the best for our dish because it's a little sweet. So we're making this dish. I posted a picture of this dish about a couple weeks ago, and I've received a few requests for the recipe, and that's why we're making this today. Okay, all right, let's start. All right, we're gonna start with our oil. Gonna put our pork. This is a combination of pork butt and pork belly. Put 1 teaspoon of salt. Ground black pepper. Once we add some color to our pork, let's put them to the side right here so we can cook our aromatics. We're going to start with our garlic. Then our onion. Our ginger. When our onion is translucent, we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of shrimp paste. That's 1. That's 2. Now, if you don't want to use shrimp paste, you can also use fish sauce or salt if you're allergic to shellfish. Now we can add our squash. Now we're going to add a can of coconut milk. And half a cup of water. So after about 3 minutes, we're going to add our string beans. then make sure to taste it. If it needs more salt, just add more salt. I'm gonna add maybe quarter teaspoon of salt. Just let this cook for another couple of minutes and this should be ready. Because you don't want to overcook the squash. Okay, this is ready. It's perfect. We didn't overcook the squash and the string beans. Just right. This is ready. Time to taste our ginataang sitaw and kalabasa. Get some pork belly in there and some squash. I can't believe I'm tasting this without rice. It's so good. I hope you like this recipe. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and we'll see you again next time. Bye now.